Expressions to create visualization. In this section, we will look at various recipes where expressions will be used to create effective visualization. Let's look at the first recipe, which is sorting stack bar chart. And let's jump directly into Qlik to start sorting. So here I am in Qlik and I'm using same sales dataset. And to create the stack bar chart, we will take the bar chart and I will drag it over here. I will add the dimension, which is, let's say, customer segment, and I will add the measure, let's say sales, as the measure sum of sales. So here I have consumer, corporate, home office, small business as a customer segment, and to create a stack bar chart, we need to add one more dimension. So let's say I want to add the product category. Once I add the product category, it creates a group bar chart but not the stack bar chart. So to create a stack bar chart, we need to come over here, appearance, and click on stack. So now the bar chart is stack bar chart. Right now, if you see, it is not sorted. So to sort, we need to go in sorting and we need to look at a couple of ways by which we can sort. So in this case, we will going to use the expression. Right now, if you observe, everything is auto sorted. So since we need to sort the customer segment, which is this, either in ascending or descending order, we need to first uncheck or disable the auto sorting. That's what I did just now. After that, I will click on sort by expression. I will keep the default ascending, but you have the option of choosing either ascending or descending. So for now, ascending is good. And let's say I want as the sort order as the sum of sales. So for that, I will have to enter the expression. So I'll enter sum of sales and I'll press enter. Once I press enter, you see the sorting is changed. The lowest value is, or the lowest bar is coming first and the highest bar is coming at the end. But if I want the highest bar as the first one, I can change the order from ascending to descending. And now my sort order is changed accordingly. Well, not only this, we can also change the order of these different groups within the stack bar chart. So for that, what we can do is we need to come here in the product category, need to uncheck the sorting, need to enter sort by expression and ascending, let's say. And for this, we want to sort by profit. So I will enter sum of profit and press enter. Once I press enter, it will show you the sum of profit either in ascending or descending order. If I say descending, change the order, as you will see. So this way you will see that you can change the x-axis categories as well as categories or the stacks of the y-axis as well. So that's all about how you can use the expression to sort bar chart for effective visualization.